Welcome to my chefing. My name is Chef Fran, and today we are making I know everyone has a different way of trying to remove the seeds from their bell peppers, so this is my way. What I like to do is just kind of puncture down. You hear that? Puncture it all the way down. And I'm going to show you something. Some people cut around their peppers. I puncture, and you're going to see how all the seeds are out. You pick up this big thing here, and it has your seeds for you. So pretty much it's kind of clean, and I just pat out and just pull these pieces right here. That's it, you're clean. You see, it's very little left. Just pat it out. Just pull the inside strip here. Tap it, clean. And that's how I did it. I just punctured it down, and the whole seeds came up. And just pat it. We're done.